Hi, my name is Lena and I'm going to be showing you homework number 1, problem 28, which states that a sound wave with intensity 2 times 10 to the negative third watts per meter squared is perceived to be modestly loud. Your eardrum is 6 millimeters in diameter. How much energy will be transferred to your eardrum while listening to this sound for 1 minute? So, we can start solving this problem by making a list of knowns and unknowns. We are given the intensity, the diameter of the ear, and time. Note that I have converted the diameter to meters and the time to seconds so that it is easier to solve. Next, we can look at our equation sheet to pull out relevant equations. We are looking for how much energy will be transferred, and we know that power is equal to energy transferred over a period of time. Although we don't know power, we can solve for it because we know that intensity equals power per unit area, where area is the area of the ear and denoted by pi r squared. We can begin by solving symbolically and rearrange and plug in our relative equations to get one equation to work with. We start by rearranging I equals power over area to equal power, which is intensity multiplied by area, and we can plug in area to be pi r squared. So now we can plug this into this equation and rearrange it by, well, first let's rearrange that equation. So P times time equals energy transferred. And now we can plug in our power symbolically, which would make this intensity times pi r squared times time. Which equals the energy transferred. Now we can begin to plug in our variables. Note that we are given the diameter of the ear, which is equal to 2r. So to solve for radius, we can divide the diameter by 2, so that will equal 3 to the negative third power, or times 10 to the negative third power meters. And now let's plug into the equation that we solved for. So intensity is 2 times 10 to the negative third watts per meter squared multiplied by pi times 3 times 10 to the negative third meters squared times 60 seconds. Now we can plug that equation into our calculator and we get 3.396 times 10 to the negative 6th power, and our units are joules. And now we can convert to our necessary SI units. So our lowest SI unit in the problem was 2, so we're gonna define this as 3.4 times 10 to the negative 6 joules. And that is the amount of energy transferred to your eardrum while listening to the sound for 1 minute.